Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising and Tips from Tiffany. Just wanted to let you know what we've been working on this week. We have been researching and trying out a new product that we are excited about. I'm excited about it anyway. When we go on these cruises and the straws that they use, I've mentioned before in several videos, bring your own straws. But sometimes having the regular straws, you can't carry them very well and they don't fit in your pocket. So Chris found these telescopic straws, stainless steel, that come in little containers like this, and they do have clips so you can clip them to your lanyard. They fit in your pocket. They are a little bit smaller than a pen. So far they've worked great. They fit in the big cups. They do have the silicone lip on them so that you don't burn yourself, because you know when you're out on the deck sunbathing and you got your drink with you, the stainless steel will get hot, so that'll protect you from burning your lip. Like I said, it comes in a stainless steel tube, fits right in your pocket, or you can clip it on. Just open it up, it unscrews. They come in different colors too, so you can pick your colors. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It does come with a little brush that also extends. This makes it great for cleaning it out in your cabin sink. And then when you're done with it, just slide it back down. The straw opens up all the way. There you go. I was a little worried about it because of the way it extends, and it has these two little notches there, that the suction wasn't going to be very good, or that ice would get stuck or something like that. But it has worked great. I've been trying it all week. Like I said, they work great in my cups. They do fit most lids, so that's great. These would work really great with the frozen drinks. Because, you know, with paper straws, you get those cold drinks, they disintegrate really quickly. Also, the flavored straws that they have, the edible straws, I'm not a big fan of those. I've never that, and they disintegrate just as fast. So when you're all done with it, just put it all back together. You can pop it right back in there in the handy dandy tool. Close it right on back up. And either fit it back in your pocket or clip it onto your neck or your lanyard. So this is something that we are going to be making as part of our essential packing list. Just because, like I said, we do not care for the paper straws. We know why they have the paper straws. We know why they have the edible straws, and I'm all for that. Just don't really care for the paper straws or the edible straws. So this is what we have found. This is something you would like to try. There is a link in our description. We did get these from Amazon. They're about $10.99 for a 2-pack. Didn't think that was bad at all. They are, like I said, stainless steel. So if that is something you're interested in, let us know what you think of it. And if there's anything out there that you think we need to test or try or make part of our essential packing list, please let us know in the comments. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We will be seeing you out on the high seas in 3 weeks.